Here we go, flopfish. Box 31 to select. 31 is his box number. If there is a box 31, it is getting opened by Flop. Alright. Yeah, box 27. I open box 27 every time. Alright, here we go. First box, you got your Pinizzotto rookie. Man, blowing up. Got a fatty here. To 199, where's Subi at? Bo Bennett, rookie jersey auto. Bo Bennett. Oh, gold. I'll slow roll it. Marion Gabrick Gold, numbered 3 of 10. Gabrick Gold, numbered 3 of 10. And a Mikkel Bodker. Very nice flop. My goodness. Double strike of Mike Smith. And a rookie of John Muse. Cameron Gaunch. Autograph. Select signatures. Got one of your Fire on Ices coming. Nice. Fire on Ice of Evgeny Malkin. And a Daniel Sedin Prism. And there's your Vancouver. Now you just need a Jordan Schrader to top the cake. Ben Hanowski rookie. Here's one of your hits. Oh. At least it's a short print parallel. Derek Grant, Prism rookie auto to 99. Derek Grant, Prism to 99. Johnny T, Prism. This is your other hit. Nope, I lied. Cornerstone of Pavel Datsyuk. And a rookie of Nicholas Blanchard. And an autograph, Ryan Hamilton. Youth Explosion. Did you really? Marcel Dion, Honored Selections, and a Patrick Marleau Prism. Well, there you have it.